everyone, Kendall here with Lousy Llama Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Magic Ring Guide. This is a product that I invented to help people learn and make the magic ring. If you don't know, in crochet, the magic ring is a skill that you're going to use to make the circles or round objects. So it's this little guy right here, or on the bottom of the shell. It's kind of the start of anything round. And as a beginner, when you're just learning crochet, magic rings can be tricky. So instead of dealing with it all on your hands and getting tangled, I have this card to help. Works with any type of yarn, any size crochet hook, anything you need, you can make it on the Magic Ring Guide. I'm going to be showing it right-handed, which is clearly labeled on the card, but my left-handed creators, don't you worry. You just have to flip your card around and go in the other order. So you start in 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly like I'm doing it, but you're just going to do it on the left-hand side. You can find this at shoplousylllama.com as well as beginner crochet kits. So if you're learning how to crochet, I got you covered start to end. All right, let me show you how this works. So my card's nice and labeled. It has all of our numbers. I'm gonna leave a few inches of yarn at the end and slide it into 1. Then I'm gonna go to 2, 3, and then 4. And then I'm gonna hold it right where it says hold, which is kind of the middle of my X. I want to take my crochet hook, under 2, over 4, and pull it through. That is our magic ring, but I'm going to do 1 chain just to kind of stick it in place. So I'm going to take off 4, hook it onto my hook, and pull it through my loop. Believe it or not, you just did a magic ring. Take it off, I'm going to pull out of 1, slide off my card. This is a magic ring. When you add your stitches, you're going to go through the middle on both of these strands of yarn. So if I'm doing 6 single crochets, which is the start of a lot of amigurumi projects, especially mine at Lousy Llama, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. So again, I'm going through the middle of my loop, yarning over, pull through. I'm kind of pinching it between my fingers just so it doesn't come loose and I have some tension I'm working with. I'm going to add 6 single crochets to my loop, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You get to pull the tail, and now you're finished with round 1 if it has 6 single crochets. I'm Kendall, and that's how we use the Magic Ring Guide.